This is cool. I'll admit it, I like it. It's a bucket list item. When you achieve a goal in life, then what do? You're grateful. Then you reflect. What did it take to make this possible? Then you look forward and think, what's next? What's the next mission? And to be honest, I don't really know right now. What I do know is that the ability and the drive is still there. There's still the second half of the game to play. There are levels to the game, and I just unlocked another level. Success is a journey, not a destination. Thanks to all of you for helping to make this possible. Stay tuned.